Hi, I'm Brian, and this is how to make a decreased scale on Word. So I have Microsoft Word opened up on my computer here. Now sometimes you will have font that is too big for the pages you are printing out. Let's say you want to print out only 5 pages and your text fills up 7 pages. You're going to want to decrease the scale of your text in Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything by hitting Apple key A. That's a shortcut for select all. And then you can go into your font drop down right here and you can decrease the font. So I'm going to decrease it to 8. Now my font is small enough to fit all on one single page. Now let's say you want to decrease the scale of your view on Microsoft Word so you can see everything at once. There's a drop down menu right here and you can pull down and go to whole page, and then you can see everything on the page on Microsoft Word.